So here we have the Ford Tourneo Connect. This is a wheelchair access vehicle, which I'll show you as we work our way around the car. It's on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you the outside, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car. Those side doors are sliding. We have alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a parking camera. These two rear seats will fold flat. In addition to these two, you have one middle seat. The front passenger side seat has been removed for the space for the wheelchair, and you can see we have that ramp that opens up from the side, which I'll show you now. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle. You can see the ramp that opens by hand. Very, very easy to do. And now that we've made a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view as well. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in. We'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre at the bottom, we've got the cool and temperature gauge and fuel gauge. Beneath that, it will show you what gear this vehicle is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment, of course. Above that, we have the main trip computer section, which includes the digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see, and of course the total miles for the vehicle. They are 3,992. You can change the information that's displayed in this section using buttons on the steering wheel. So you've got your audio, your telephone menu, settings, a trip computer, and back around to the beginning again. The buttons that I was using to do that are on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. We have cruise control and speed limiter over here as well. Over on the right-hand side, we've got your stereo and phone controls. And then into the center is the stereo itself. So on here, you can pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then follow the instructions on screen from there. We've also got the ability to, of course, access our audio. So down the bottom here, you can see you've got some radio presets. You can change the source for your music. So we've got FM, DAB radio as well, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once, of course, you paired your phone, as we just showed you a moment ago here. You've also got down in that bottom corner various Ford friendly apps that can be projected up onto this screen. Below that, the main volume, we've got some storage in here. And then if we move the gear lever out of the way, we've got your dual zone climate control, which means that you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature up and down from here, passenger temperature, your fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment. You can turn that on and off from here, of course, or just hit auto. The vehicle will then take full control for you to maintain those temperatures. So it will take control of the fan speed and direction of the air. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. You can also recirculate the air that's in the car from here. We've got a rear heated screen, front heated screen, heated driver seat and heated passenger seat, all with 3 heat settings each there. We can turn off the stop and start. This vehicle is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We can also turn off the traction control and put the vehicle in eco mode. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. On the side of it, we have the plus and minus button. That's it, you can change up and down a gear manually, should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.